If you're looking to buy a diamond painting kit from Amazon, then this is the video for you. I'm going to unbox my custom kit, but it'll be very similar to any diamond painting kit you get on there. I'm Christine of Christine's Crafts. Please subscribe below for all my videos. So let's get down to business. The first thing you're going to do is get your package. If you've paid a lot for your kit, or you're lucky, you might get it in a box, but largely they come in plastic packaging like this, which is absolutely fine. I've never had a problem with them. So just cut in all the tape so that we can get in, and inside will be everything you need. These kits contain all the tools, all the equipment, all the diamonds. When you're ordering, just make sure it is the kit for you. If you want round diamonds, make sure they're round, or square, make sure they're square, and check it covers the whole picture or it doesn't. There really is a lot of benefit to looking at the detail on Amazon listings for your diamond painting kit, because there are lots of different options. If you look in the description below, you'll see some links to some on Amazon, so you can go and have a look and see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, we've got another plastic bag in here, but we're starting to see all those little bags of diamonds, and we can see a sheet of paper with some useful information on it. So that sheet of paper is showing me a little picture of what my big canvas will look like, and also a list of all the diamonds in there, all the different colours, and how many little bags there should be of each one. It is worth checking down and making sure you've got everything before you start. So, little picture and a list of all the diamonds. There's also a little bag with a tray in it and tools, so everything we need to do the actual diamond painting, and lots of little bags of diamonds. They nearly all come with these tiny little bags, so you can just tip out as many as you need at a time. They're not all in one giant bag. Have a look through. Let's make sure you've got all the ones you need. And there should also be a canvas, which should not be folded. So it should be nicely wrapped around something or inside a tube. So this one's wrapped around some foam, and we'll get it opened up. And what you'll find is it looks very boring, because the whole thing will have a protective cover. And that's really important, because when you're diamond painting, your canvas is sticky. So you need that cover to protect that stickiness and stop lots of dirt getting on it. So once you've got it all out, you need to get that canvas down flat. Now you'll see here that I stick mine onto some foam board, so it's easy to manage. It's just taped down with a bit of masking tape. But what do we get inside that little packet that I showed you very briefly? Let's take everything out. Okay, so there are some little plastic bags to put diamonds in. You'll find they tend to give you a few. It's not particularly useful, I find. A little tray, which is a vital piece of equipment, and some wax, which you use in the end of your tool. Now this kit has come with some extra tools, but most don't. And this one has come with a grip to push on to the diamond painting tool, which actually I really liked, and it did make it easier when you're doing the diamond painting. So that's everything for you to get started. So what you'll need to do is just peel back some of that cover, look what colours you need, and then select those diamonds, put some in your tray, and away you go. You're all ready to start. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the unboxing of a diamond painting kit from Amazon. Hope you know now what you can expect to receive in your package. So thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up below. Leave me any comments that you might have, any questions, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much, and please keep watching, and you'll see at the end here there's another video you can watch that shows you exactly how to do your diamond painting and shows you me completing this painting.